Hello students, this is Miss Dalton and this video is on writing piecewise functions. So we're going to write down a few steps and then we will practice this in class. When you are writing piecewise functions from a graph, the first thing you're going to do is determine the parent function or shape for each part of the graph. Then you're going to determine the boundaries for each part of the graph. And then you'll write the equations utilizing what you know about transformations of the parent functions. And then you'll define the domain, which is that last part of each piecewise function, for each part of the function using the boundaries of the graph. Now you're also going to have to write piecewise functions from a situation. So when you're looking at a situation, the first thing you want to determine is the equation for each part of the situation. Then determine the boundaries for each part of the situation. And then you will write each equation and define the domain for each part of the function using the boundaries of the situation. So that's it for the video. I want to make sure that you have these steps written down because we're going to practice this in class.